Hello, this is MetraMP36414 and here for, I guess, another layout update. Okay, first of all, if you notice my Kato Metra bi-level isn't in the train, it's because, well, when I walked away, it came disattached from the Walters bi-level it was attached to, and then the locomotive ended up derailing and crashing into it, and a little piece broke, so I glued it, and now the glue's drying. Great. Well, sorry, I just noticed right now that coupler's broken, and so now I'm pretty more agitated. Here, as you can see, we started getting ready for roads. We started on our railroad crossings, our grade crossings, to see the crossover part. So I guess that's it for this video. I'm gonna continue fixing my Kato bi-level, that Metra. So right now, in the meantime, in service, I'm having my Walters Metra at 40ph, my Pullman Kato Amtrak bi-level, and my Walters Metra bi-level. I'm gonna, until I fix the Kato. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.